Hello, good evening, everyone. Can everyone hear me? Tell me.
Good
Yes,
evening,
sir.
sir.
Hello, good evening. Can everyone hear me? Yes. Abhigyan, Oipshat, can everyone hear me? Tell me. Madhurjo, Adrija, can everyone hear me? Ankit,
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Protyoy,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
yes, sir.
Sokrohit, okay. Okay, so everyone, let us start. Last day I had given some homework questions. Okay, let us start. Can everyone see my screen? Tell me.
Yes,
Okay. Ankit, did you go through all the previous notes and the recording? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so last day we were doing maximum minima. Okay, let's continue. I had given 4 homework questions, I guess. Okay, first one. First one is a proof problem. Anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now. If there's anyone having any doubt in the first one, tell me.
yes, sir.
Yes. So should I start? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 2 things we have to prove. Okay, pay attention. One is that 2 by 2 plus 2x plus 1 is less than ln 1 plus 1 by x. Are you getting? This is the first thing we need to prove. And ln 1 plus 1 by x is less than 1 by x. This is what we have to prove. Tell me, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So over here, first thing I'm going to do is, over here, I'll take 2 functions. Let f of x equal to, I'm going to take 2 functions. Let f of x equal to 2 by 2, 2x plus 1 minus ln 1 plus 1 by x. Okay. And I'm going to take g of x equal to ln 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 by x. Is it clear, so on? Tell me. Next.
Yes, sir.
Over here, what is f dash x? Tell me. F dash x will be equal to minus 2 by 2x plus 1 whole square. Minus 2 by 2x plus 1 whole square multiplied by 2, right? Tell me.
Yes.
Then minus ln 1 plus 1 by x. Can I write it as ln x plus 1 by x? Tell me. So this will become, after taking derivative, it will become 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x. Tell me, are you getting so on? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is g dash x? G dash x will be equal to 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x. Okay. Minus plus 1 by x square. Tell me. Are you getting so on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us talk about f dash x first. Okay. F dash x, let us simplify. So f dash x will be equal to, taking LCM. LCM would be, tell me, what's the LCM? 2x plus 1 whole square
2x plus 1.
2x plus 1 whole square into x plus 1.
Hmm.
Right, tell me. Into x plus 1. And in the numerator, what are we getting? Minus 4 into x plus 1. Wait a minute. All are negative, right? All are negative. Okay. Minus 4 into x plus 1 minus divided by x plus 1. It will become x into 2x plus 1 whole square minus x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 whole square. Tell me, are you getting? Tell me, Sohan. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
No,
Next,
sir.
let us simplify the numerator. Okay, taking minus common. Within brackets, what are we getting? 4 into x square plus x. Right, so it will become 4x square plus 4x. Okay, all are positive. So plus x into 2x plus 1. Acha, let us see which terms are positive. So see, can you understand that over here, if you take minus common, we are getting 4 into x plus 1 into x plus x into 2x plus 1 plus x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 whole square. Tell me. And in the denominator, what are we getting? In the denominator, we'll get 2x plus 1 whole square into x plus 1. Tell me. Sohan, are you getting? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, in the question, it was specifically given that x is positive, right? So, for all x greater than 0, can you understand that this term is positive? This term is positive. This term is positive. This second term is positive. Third term is also positive. So, positive divided by positive will give us what? Tell me. Positive only. And negative of something positive will give us negative. So, can I say that f dash x is greater than less than 0 for all x? For all x greater than 0. See, my task is to plot the function from 0 to infinity. Okay, what is going to happen in between 0 to infinity? Tell me, are you getting so on?
Yes, sir.
Wait a minute.
Yes, sir.
So function is decreasing. Okay, let me see. Am I doing it correctly? 2 by 2x plus 1 minus ln 1 plus x. Oh, over here I've done a mistake. Wait. Over here, 2 by 2x plus 1. If you simplify, this will become 2 by 2x plus 1 minus ln 1 plus x by x. Okay, so it will become minus ln 1 plus x, 2 by 2x plus 1 minus ln 1 plus x plus ln x. Are you getting where I made the mistake? Plus ln x. Okay, now let us start
Yes, sir.
differentiating. Okay, so let us start differentiating once again. Okay, start differentiating once again. Okay, so what will be f dash x? F dash x will be equal to 2 by 2x plus 1. So minus 4 by 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay, minus 1 by x plus 1. D by dx of ln x will become plus 1 by x. Okay, now let us take LCM. LCM would be 2x plus 1 whole square, 2x plus 1 whole square into x plus 1. Okay, let us simplify. In the numerator, what are we getting? Minus 4 into x plus 1. And over here, minus x into 2x plus 1 whole square plus x. So plus x. So plus x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 whole square into 2x plus 1 whole square. Let's see, x into 2x plus 1 whole square. And over here, x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 whole square. If I subtract, this will become only 2x plus 1 whole square. Can you understand? So it will become minus 4x into x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 whole square in the numerator. Okay, further we have to simplify. Divided by 2x plus 1 whole square into x plus 1. Next, again, let us open the brackets. We'll get 4x square plus 4x plus 1 minus 4x square minus 4x. Oh, so in the numerator, we are going to get only 1. Tell me, are you getting so on? So see,
Yes,
so
sir.
on. 4x square, 4x square, 4x gets cancelled. We are going to get 1 upon 2x plus 1 whole square. Acha, so it is positive. Can you understand? See, f dash x is greater than 0 for all x greater than 0. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So f of x is an increasing function. Okay. This implies f is increasing. Okay. Once you get that f is increasing. Yeah. Once you get that f is increasing. Okay. Let us find out what is happening at infinity. Limit x tends to infinity. 1 by 2x plus 1 minus ln x plus 1 by x. Or you can say 1 plus 1 by x. Can you understand that this will be equal to 0? Tell me. As x tends to infinity, 1 by 2x plus 1 minus ln 1 plus 1 by x. This will be equal to 0. So that means x-axis is the horizontal asymptote. The graph of f of x might look like, I'm just drawing a rough graph. Okay, I might be wrong, but I'm just drawing a rough graph. See, this is how the graph is going to look like. Tell me, are you getting? As x tends to infinity, f of x tends to 0. Can you understand? So what does it implies? It implies that f of x is strictly less than 0. Okay. Once you understand that f of x is less than 0, this implies 1 by 2x plus 1 minus ln 1 plus 1 by x is less than 0. So see, one part of the inequality is done. Is it clear? So on.
Yes, sir.
Let us find out g dash x. Let us find out g dash x. This is g of x, ln x plus 1 by minus ln x minus 1 by x. So g dash x will be equal to 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 by x square. Tell me, are you getting? Yes or no? So on.
Yes, sir.
Plus 1 by x square. Okay, let us simplify. What does it gives us? Again, LCM. X square into x plus 1. Okay, let's take LCM. X square into x plus 1. See, the denominator is positive. Numerator would be x square minus x into x plus 1 plus x plus 1. Let's see what are we getting. This will give us x square minus x plus 1 divided by x square into x plus 1.
1 by square. Yes.
So these two gets cancelled. Okay, so we are getting 1 by x square into x plus 1. That means g dash x is also positive, right? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
This implies g dash x is also positive. This implies g is increasing. Let us find out what is happening at infinity. Okay, limit x tends to infinity. Okay, g of x will be equal to, let's see, this will be 0 minus 0. So 0 only, right? So the graph of g of x will also look somewhat like that only, right? The graph of g of x will also look somewhat like that only. X-axis will act as a horizontal asymptote. Tell me. Others are getting? Yes or no? Tell me, Ronak, Ritam, Vaipsha, Rasheshwari, are you people getting? Ankit, are you
Yes,
getting?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Samragni, Sakrit, Shomli, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, we can say that g of x is also less than 0. Therefore, I think the second inequality is also proved. Tell me, is it clear? Hello, Sohan, have you understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. First one is done. This is also less than 0. Hence proved. Next. Anyone has any doubt in the second one? Tell me. Second one is also a proof problem. Anyone having any doubt? You have to prove that sine 1 is greater than cos of sine 1. Also, you have to show that sine of cos of sine x is equal to cos of sine of cos x. Has only one solution in 0 to pi by 2. Tell me. Anyone
Yes,
having
sir.
any doubt?
I could
Sir,
show
the
that.
Yes.
second one.
Second proof sine of cos of sine x. That one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Shashwata, over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take f of x equal to
So I could also solve the part one.
part one also. Then let
Yes.
me solve the whole question. Okay. So what do we need to prove? Sine 1 is greater than cos of sine 1. Okay. So actually what we need to prove, let's see. 1 is 1 radian. Okay. 1 is 1 radian. This is number 2. So can I write it as cos of pi by 2 minus 1? Tell me. This is greater than. This is what is required to prove. Right, tell me, Rishabh. This
Yes.
implies, now since cos is a decreasing function between 0 to pi by 2, so we can say that pi by 2 minus 1 is less than sine 1. This is what we need to prove. Okay, let us interpret the value on the left hand side. Okay, pi is 3.14 by 2 is 1.57 minus 1. This is 0.57 something, right? Tell me, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
I mean, minus 1. This is 0.57. Can you understand?
So this is 1.5. Oh my.
Minus 1, 0.57. Okay. And we know that sin x is an increasing function, right? Tell me, in 0 comma pi by 2. Right, tell me, Rishabh, are you getting? Yes or
Yes.
no? Sin x is an increasing function in 0 to pi by 2. Okay. So over here, Rishabh, uh, let us find out a closest value. Okay, 1 radian is 57 degree 14 minutes. Can you understand? 1 radian is equal to 57 degree 14 minutes.
Yes.
So what is sine 45 degree? Sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, right?
Yes.
Which is equal to 2 by, no, root 2 by 2. Root 2 is 1.414 divided by 2. This will be equal to how much? 0.707, right? And 0.707 is definitely greater than 0.57, right? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we can see over here, this implies sine 1 will also be greater than sine 45 degree, which is of course greater than 0.57. Hence proved.
So can't we do it using like not taking any general values?
Not taking any general values.
Yeah. Like somehow taking a function and proving it is greater than. I mean, it is increasing or decreasing. Something like that.
Sir, I
Is
thought of a way other than taking the values.
other than taking the values. Acha, let's see.
Yes.
Let's see other than taking a value, how
So
can we
we
can
can
prove it?
take sine one as something like which is positive. So then if we take let's say sine one as x, then x we have to prove x is greater than cos x. So taking all this everything to the left hand side, x minus cos x is greater than 0. We have to prove this, and then differentiating 1 minus sine x is always greater than 1 minus sine x. We get the function on differentiating 1 minus sine x is always greater than or equal to 0, but equal to 0 case won't happen here as x is not 90 degree.
Acha,
So
I'm trying with this function. Okay. I'm trying this with this function. Okay. What is f dash x? F dash x is equal to cos x minus, sorry, plus sine of sine x or
Into cos x.
into cos x. Okay. This is what we are getting. But after that,
Yes.
if I put it equal to 0, then
So
if I
Rolle is
try to, huh?
putting it equals to.
I'll find out maximum minima. Where is it happening? This is to always greater than 0. Right? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Between 0 to pi by 2, whatever range we have got, this is always greater than 0. The function is
Yes.
increase. Oh, the function is increasing.
Yes, sir, it's increasing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this implies f is increasing.
The problem was at f of 0, I got it as -1. The value of f of
Oh,
0.
Yes,
okay.
sir. F of 0 is -1.
Ah, so it's fine only. F of 0 is equal to how much? -1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. F of 0 is equal to -1. We need to find out where it is equal to 0. F of 0 is -1. F of pi by 4 is what? Tell me. 1 by root 2 minus cos of 1 by root 2. Right, tell me. Are you getting?
Yes.
1 by root 2 minus cos of 1 by root 2, which is equal to 0.707 minus cos of 0.707. Right, tell me. Now this value
Yes.
is great. This value is greater than 0 or less than 0? Tell me.
Sir, less than 0.
This is less than 0. This is less than 0.
So using
Yes, sir. So, like
Wait,
the
wait.
differential
argument of cos is very small, so it will be tending to 1, na?
1.
Mm, wait. I have got f of x increasing. Right. F dash x is greater than 0. I've got f of x increasing. F of 0 is -1.
So, you can first draw the graph and then like value at
Wait,
pi by 2.
wait. We have to get it before 1. Okay, before 1, what is happening? Okay, then only we can substitute at 1. So f is an increasing function, right? Sin x minus cos of sin x. This is 0.707 cos of 0.707. This value, this angle, 0.707 angle. Okay, this is greater than 45 degree. Right, tell me. 0.707 radian is greater than 45 degree. Is greater than 45 degree or less than 45 degree? We need to understand. Which is root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2, okay, is greater than 45 degree or less than 45 degree? We need to understand. 45 degree in radians is pi by 4. So which one is greater? Pi by 4 is 3.14 by 4, which will give us how much?
0.785, sir. Around
785.
0.78 only.
Achha, 0.78. Oh, so no. This value is less than 0. I mean 45 degree. Can't conclude anything. So its value will be more than 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is, yes, this will be less than 0. Oh, so you cannot predict anything from here also. F of pi by 4. F is
Sir,
increasing.
but
Okay,
we can do one thing.
tell me what you
So,
want
we
to do.
can draw the graph and then we know that at pi by 2, the value is pi by 2 only. Then we can find the equation of the graph and then put x equal to 0
Why
to find the like y
why
equal
are
to
you
0
think?
to find the x
Wait,
coordinate.
wait, 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 wait. Why at pi by 2? Tell me. Why at pi by 2?
So like you considered sine 1 as sine x, but I considered sine 1 as x only. That's why I was getting pi by 2. You might get something else.
What is f of pi by 2? F of pi by 2 will give us 1 minus cos 1, which is of course greater than 0. That means there exists at least one root, but Over here, finding the value is very difficult. Okay, f dash x is greater than 0. It's an increasing function. After pi by 4, we cannot take any value. 45 degree, then if I take 60 degree, 60 degree and 50, we have to think about 1 radian. Okay. Okay, then Rishabh, let me think. Okay. Otherwise, see, this proof I've already given. Okay. Let me think.
Okay.
I'll think of some other value. Okay.
Always.
F of 0 is coming as -1. Okay. That means there exists one root between 0 and 1. Actually, see, there exists one root between 0 and 1. 0 and pi by 2. Okay. One rise over here. We need to just prove that this particular root, okay, this root is lying before 1. Understood? Tell me. We
Yes,
need
sir.
to prove that this root is lying before 1. If you prove that this root is lying before 1, then your problem is done. But wait, give me some time. Okay, I'll think. Okay. Next, second part, let us prove it. Second part, what was the second part? We need to prove that cos of sine x, sine of cos of sine x is equal to cos of sine x, sine of cos x has one solution in 0 to pi by 2. So let us start. So over here, let g of x is equal to sine of cos of sine x. Okay. Let g of x equal to sine of cos of sine x minus cos of sine of cos x. Okay. Are you getting, Shashwata? So what is g of 0? G of 0 is equal to sine 1 minus cos of sine 1, right? Tell me. So this is of course greater than 0 from the previous part. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And what is g of pi by 2? G of pi by 2 is equal to sine of cos of sine of cos of 1 minus cos pi by 2 is 0, sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Sine of cos 1 minus 1, which is of course less than 0. Right, tell me. So see, what is g of 0 into g of pi by 2? Tell me,
The
Shashwata.
less than 0.
Less than 0? This implies there exists at least one root. By intermediate value theorem, there exists at
Okay,
least
sir.
one root of g of x in 0 comma pi by 2. Hence proved. Tell me, is it clear, Shashwata? By intermediate value theorem. Next. Question number 3. Anyone having any doubt? I think you people got 5 as the answer. No, number of maximum, minimum. 2 and 3. Tell me, everyone. How much
Yes,
it will be?
sir. 2 and
2 and 3. And this one came in advance. Number 4,
ABC.
ABC. ABD, I
ABD,
guess.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
ABD.
yes.
Uh,
Yes. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me.
So could you solve only part A?
Only part A. Okay. It's given f of x is not equal to 0 for all x belongs to 0 comma 5. Not equal to 0. Okay. For all x belongs to 0 comma 5. Okay. Not equal to 0. Let me see. That means the area of f of x will not be equal to 0. So this one I have to prove. Let me see. So first of all, you must have differentiated. F dash x will be equal to, f dash x will be equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 5. Right, tell me. Must have got this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are a lot of maximum minima. Okay. 0 comma 5 we need to think. Now what is f of 0? F of 0 is equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to 0. Okay, f of 1. So over here, how many points are there? 1, 2, and 5. Okay, 1, 2, and 5. Negative, positive, negative. It is coming from the negative side, then positive, then negative, then positive. Okay, so over here, f dash x is decreasing. So 1 is a point of local minima. Okay, 1 is a point of local minima. 5 is also a point of local minima. Okay, 5 is also a point of local minima.
2 is a point of local maxima, the only one.
2 is local max. Okay, but f of x not equal to 0. That means we need to prove that the area is not equal to 0. Okay, so for
Or sir, you
option
can check in
A,
intervals. You can check in interval like from 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, and 2 to 5. All open intervals.
no, wait, let me think. Total area, they are talking about total area. Na? Okay, total area we need to think. Total area, how will the graph look like? Graph of f of x. The graph of f of x. Oh, acha, I understood. But x can be any real number. This is another thing. Over here, do we need to do Role's theorem? Let me see. What is f of x? F of x, f dash x. F dash x is equal to. No, we are talking only about f of x. Okay. So Role's theorem, no. Role's theorem. So over
So
here,
do
f
we
of
need to
1,
draw the graph of f of x?
but that also, how will it ensure that the area is not equal to 0? Are you getting? Area may be 0, area may not be 0. Right, we need to prove that area is not equal to 0. Okay,
Yes, sir.
let me think. Over here, see, for the area to be, okay, for the area to be equal to 0, net area should be equal to 0. Let me see. This is 0, 1, 2, 5. Okay, the graph will look somewhat like this. Okay. Now for area to be 0, okay, for area to be 0, integrate, okay, if I integrate from 0 to 5, okay, what will happen? F of x will be equal to, mm, Okay, between. Okay. See, between 0 to 1, definitely the area will not be equal to 0. Between 0 to 2, let us check what will happen. F of 2 will be equal to integral from 0 to 2, x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 5. Okay. I mean, t minus 1 into t minus 2 into t minus 5. So let us integrate 0 to 2. We'll get t cube minus uh, 8t square plus 1 into 2 plus 10, 12 plus 5, 17. 17t, and lastly 5 minus 10. Okay. So this will give us how much? T to the power 4 by 4 from 0 to 2 minus 8t cube by 3 from 0 to 2 plus 17t square by 2 from 0 to 2 minus 10t from 0 to 2. Okay. This will give us how much? Let's see. This will give us 16 by 4. So 4. 4 minus this will give us 64 by 3. Then 4 by 2. So 2. So plus 34
Minus 20.
minus 20. This will give us how much?
Minus 10 by 3.
Minus 10 by 3. So, oh, yes. Okay, so I have understood. See, this negative area plus this positive area can never be equal to 0. Are you getting? So if you add one more negative area, it is definitely negative, right? So see, this implies f of x cannot be equal to 0 in 0, comma 5. Tell me, is it clear, Rishabh? Are you getting?
So,
Yes, tell me.
so when solving sums of area under curve, if it is asked to find the area, do we take the mod of the negative area?
No, definite integral of a curve will always give us the net area. Okay. So over here, definite integral is only given to us.
So
Are you
that
getting?
means the area will be negative. I mean, we'll report the area in negative value.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Definite integral of a curve will always give us the net area.
Okay. So,
Okay. Okay. Like for example, you see what is integral of sine x from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Tell me. What are you getting? Calculate. Calculate and tell me. How much are you getting? Tell me.
Sir, 0.
0. See, how are we getting 0? Because if you see the graph from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, see the area below x-axis is equal to the area above x-axis. Can you see? Tell me. Tell me. Sakrohit, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Shashwato, Rishabh, are you getting? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So over here, the question only asked us that f of x will not be equal to 0 for all x belongs to 0, comma 5. So I took one negative area and one positive area and showed that f of x is not equal to 0. So again, if you add a negative area, it will definitely be not equal to 0. Is it clear? Tell me, Rishabh.
yes, sir.
Okay, so I think everyone we can continue. Today I'm going to start with Rolle's theorem. Rolle's LMVT. Rolle's theorem. Lagrange's mean value theorem.
Answer, how much time would it take you to complete AOD?
It will take a little bit. We are halfway through AOD.
Hmm.
Okay, number one, Rolle's theorem. Okay, everyone, pay attention. Rolle's theorem is very important. Rolle's LMVT is very important.
Sir, can I ask you one thing?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, is this the spelling of roles? Like,
Yeah, have I written it incorrectly?
no, no, I'm
I
like
don't know.
asking you. I'm not stating anything. I'm just asking you.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, it is named after a mathematician,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
as far as you know. If f of x satisfies the following conditions, option number A, continuous in closed interval a comma b, continuous in closed interval a comma b. That is, we don't have to lift the pen while drawing the curve. We don't have to lift the pen while drawing the curve. Next, differentiable in differentiable in open a comma b. Okay, that is no sharp corner. Okay, that is no sharp corner. And f of a is equal to f of b. Okay, these three conditions satisfies. Then, then there exists, then there exists at least one, at least one x equal to c in a comma b open such that such that f dash at c will be equal to 0. Okay, let us see the proof. Okay, first of all, I'm going to show you the geometrical proof. Okay, geometrical meaning. Pay attention. Geometrical meaning. Okay, so everyone, pay attention. There will be few cases. Case one, it can happen that between A and B, the curve looks somewhat like this. Can happen that between A and B, the curve looks somewhat like this. Pay attention. Okay. Okay. So everyone, over here, how many points are you getting where f dash x is equal to 0? Tell me. Between A and
Sir,
B. Raise
two.
your hand. Two. Are you people able to understand? Tell me. There are two values of x between A and B such that f dash x is equal to 0. Tell me. Are you people getting yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is case one. In this graph, in this graph, we find 2 points. We find 2 points where C of roles is verified. Where C of roles is verified.
So can you please show the labelings on the graph?
Labelings, yes, this is A, this is B, this is f of A. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Tell me, are you people getting? If you are unable to understand, tell me. Aipsha, Avigyan, are you people getting? Agniba,
Yes, sir.
Pratyay, Ritam, are you
Yes, sir.
getting? Shamili, Shanika, Swapnil, Trina, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Case 2. See, however you draw the graph. In the second case, I'm going to draw two types of graph. Pay attention. My point is, however you draw the graph, however you draw the graph between A and B, as long as the function is following those three conditions, you'll always get at least one point, at least one point C between A and B such that f dash C is equal to 0. So raise your hand. Tell me, for this yellow line, how many C of rolls are you getting? How many points are you getting for this yellow line? Raise your hand. Tell me. Yes, Shashwato, tell me.
So infinite.
Infinitely many. Right. Over here, you'll get infinitely many C of rolls. Okay. So write it down. Let us call this as f of x. Let us call this as g of x. Okay. So in f of x, we find infinite point, infinitely many C of rolls. Okay, everyone. We can find infinitely many C of rolls. Next, in g of x, how many points of rolls are we getting? Raise your hand. In g of x, how many points of rolls are you getting? Yes, for this one, Rishabh, tell me.
So one.
Only one. We find only one point of rolls. Tell me, are the people getting? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Next, case 3. So I'm showing you another case. What will happen? What will happen if the function does not follows at least one of the conditions? Okay, pay attention, everyone. I'll draw a function having a sharp corner. This is A, this is B. So tell me, everyone, over here, are we getting any C of rolls? Tell me, Sohan, are we getting any C of rolls? Tell me, what is f dash at alpha? Sohan,
Yes, sir.
f dash at alpha at what? Yes, sir.
No,
Yeah,
no.
there is a sharp corner
Yes, sir.
at x equal to alpha.
Hmm.
So Sohan, tell me, what is f dash alpha minus
A.
A? Anyway, anyone else tell me what is f dash alpha minus? Anyone else tell me? Raise your hand. Tell me, what is f dash alpha minus? Tell me. Only one person is raising their hand. F dash alpha minus. Can anyone tell me? Yes, Adrija, tell me.
Sir, it is negative. The
It
slope
is
is negative.
negative, less than zero. Can you people understand? Before alpha, before alpha, the function is decreasing. F
Oh,
dash
yeah,
alpha
sir.
minus will be negative,
Any constant?
and f dash alpha plus is
Positive.
positive. Right. So does the derivative exist? Over
No.
here, there is no point. There is no point in a comma b such that such that f dash x is equal to 0. There exists no such point in a comma b such that f dash x equal to 0. But still, but still, we do get a point of minima. Are you getting? We do get a point of minima.
And that is at x equal to alpha.
Exactly. So see, these kind of conceptual questions can be asked. Okay, whether we'll get any C of rows if there exists a point of minima or not. Okay. Note, in terms of physics, Okay, how can we relate this to physics, everyone? In terms of physics, if initial displacement, if initial displacement and final displacement are same, if initial displacement and final displacement are same, then there must be a point, everyone. Then there must be a point when the velocity would have been zero, right or not? Tell me, everyone. When the velocity would have been zero, would have been zero. Also, if the you can also relate it like this. Okay, if the initial velocity and final velocity are same, then there must be a point. Then there must be a point where the acceleration would have been zero, right or not? Tell me, everyone. Are you people able to relate?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, number two. Now let us see the effect. Let us see the effect on f of x if conditions 1, 2 are satisfied. Conditions 1, 2 are satisfied, but condition 3 does not satisfy. Does not satisfy. Okay, and roles is not verified. Okay, let's see. Over here, roles will not be verified. Okay, let us see. If somebody is raising the hand, yes. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Okay, and roles is not verified. Everyone pay attention. So over here, I'll draw a function which is continuous and differentiable between a and b. Okay, I'll draw a function which is continuous and differentiable between a and b, but f of a is not equal to f of b. Everyone pay attention. So over here, are we getting any C of rows? Tell me, everyone. Over here, are we getting any C of rows? Tell me, everyone. Yes or no?
No, sir.
No. Tell me, are people getting?
So
Aisha,
do we scroll
Adrija,
down a bit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Madhurjo, Ankit, are you getting? Tell me. Ankit,
Yes, sir.
Anvesha, Ritam,
Yes.
Samragni, Shijita, are you
Yes,
getting?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shwankit, can you understand? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, everyone has copied?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us see the effect. Let us see the effect on f of x. Now let us see the effect on f of x. If conditions 1, 3 are satisfied, conditions 1, 3 are satisfied, but condition number 2 does not satisfy. That means f of x is not differentiable. So this one we have already seen does not satisfy. This one we have already seen. And roles is also not verified. Is also not verified. Okay. Roles is also not verified. Pay attention, everyone. So over here, between A and B, I'm going to draw a graph which is not differentiable. Okay. Over here, you people can understand that that you won't get any sea of rows. Next, I'm going to show you another graph, everyone. I'm going to show you another graph. Over here, tell me which condition this function does not follows. Raise your hand. Tell me. Among conditions 1, 2, and 3, which condition does it not? I mean, it does not follows. Raise your hand. Tell me. Condition number 1, 2, or 3? Yes, Socrates, tell me.
Sir, f a not equal to fb.
Exactly. F of A is not equal to F of B. Okay, but still, are we getting C of rows? Tell me, are we getting a point such that F dash C is equal to 0? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Here in this graph, condition number 1, condition number 2 are satisfied. But 3 does not satisfy. 3 is not satisfied. But still we are getting C of rows. Right? But still we'll get at least one C of rows. Right? At least one C belonging to A comma B such that F dash C is equal to 0. Okay. Hence, we can say, hence, if f of x is continuous and differentiable, is continuous and differentiable, and differentiable, it does not guarantees in A comma B, it does not guarantees, it does not ensures us that there exists some C belongs to, there exists some C belongs to A comma B such that F dash C is equal to 0. Okay. So only the first and the second condition, only the first and the second condition is not sufficient. All three conditions should be satisfied. Okay. Next.
Sir, can I ask something?
Yes, tell me.
So can we say the opposite, that if for some c belonging to interval a comma b is there for which f dash c is equal to 0, then f x is continuous and differentiable in a comma b? Can
Not
I say
really.
the
See,
opposite?
no. See, I can draw a graph where you'll get one C such that F dash C is equal to 0. But still, I can draw the graph between A and B such that at one point the function will not be continuous or differentiable. See, see, are you able to see, Socrates? Over here, you'll get one point such that F dash C is equal to 0.
But the function is not continuous. Understood, sir.
Yes, but function is not continuous. You see? Okay. Not so if it is not continuous, it is not differentiable also. You can
Differentiable as well,
understand.
yes.
Yes. Okay. So all three conditions are very much important. Next, another graph I'm going to show you. Okay, pay attention, everyone. Why it is, see, you must have noticed, everyone, if you look at the Rolle's theorem, you must have noticed that I have written the function has to be continuous in closed A comma B and differentiable in open A comma B. So now I am going to show you why it is important to take continuity in closed interval. Pay attention, everyone. Let us draw the graph. Now let us draw a graph such that such that condition 1 does not satisfies. Okay, condition 1 does not satisfies, but condition 2 and 3 satisfies. Okay, everyone. Condition 1 does not satisfies, but condition 2 and 3 satisfies. Okay, I'll give you a counter example. You won't get any C of roles in this case also. Pay attention. See, let us say let us say at point A and point B, you are getting f of A equal to f of B. Okay, and in the open interval A comma B, this is how the graph looks like. So see, condition 2 and 3 are satisfied. The function is differentiable in open A comma B. Okay, but tell me, are you getting any C of roles? Tell me.
No, sir.
No. So see, that is why it is very important to take that the function is continuous in closed A comma B. Okay. So from the graph we can see.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, but if the above line had a like corner, smooth corner, like a maxima or minima, then we could have said that it has C roles.
Yes, I have given you a counter example, Shashwato. Are you getting?
Acha, okay, sir. So
I
this
have given
is
you.
one example.
Yes, I have given you a counter example. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Like see, there can there can, I mean, C of rules can exist. I'm not saying it cannot exist, but I've given you a counter example that it is not necessary that it will exist. It is not necessary that it will exist. Are you getting?
You're
Okay,
just
sir.
trying to say that it is not always true. In some cases, it may happen. We may get a sea of roles, but not in all.
Yes. But if these three conditions are satisfied, that means you will definitely get a C of roles. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And sir,
Next.
if not, then we have to draw the graph.
Yes. From the
Okay.
graph, we can see that the differentiability in closed interval is also not required. That a differentiability in closed interval is not required. Is not required. Okay. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now. Okay. So should I prove Rolle's theorem? Tell me, everyone. People have seen proof of Rolle's theorem. Okay, let us see the proof. Already I have given you the geometrical proof. Okay, everyone. Geometrically, I have showed you that however you draw the graph, as long as it is continuous and differentiable, okay, you will get at least one C of Rolle's. Okay, let us prove it algebraically. Okay, everyone. So everyone, since f of x is continuous in closed A comma B and differentiable in open A comma B. Okay, so everyone, over here, two cases can arise. Case one, when f of x is a constant function, okay, it can happen that f of x is a constant function, okay, f of x equal to k. So this implies f dash x is equal to 0 only, right everyone? Tell me, in a comma b. So first case is very trivial, okay, it will always happen. Case 2, okay, when f of x is not a constant function, okay, when f of x is not a constant function, then there are two cases, two sub cases, okay. Then there exists, then there exists a maxima, everyone. Right, try to understand. If f of x is not equal to k, then there exists some, or you can say there exists some c belong to, some c belongs to a comma b, such that, such that f of c, f of c is maxima, or you can say f of c is greater than f of a. Tell me everyone, are you people getting? Yes or no? Okay. But opposite thing can also happen. F of c is less than f of a, or f of c is less than f of a. Right. Tell me everyone, are you people getting? Both the things can happen. Okay. So if I prove for one, the other one automatically follows. Okay, everyone. I just have to prove for one point. Okay. Next, everyone. The function is differentiable, everyone. The function is differentiable at every point in a comma b. Okay. So everyone, can I say what is f dash at c minus? F dash at c minus will be equal to limit h tends to 0 minus f of c plus h minus f of c upon h. Right, tell me everyone. Are people getting? F dash at c minus will be equal to limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h minus f of c upon h. Tell me, are people getting? Or you can also say that f dash at c minus will be equal to f of c minus f of a upon c minus a. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? I'm just finding out the derivative. Or you can say I'm just finding out the slope at c. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me everyone, since c is greater than a and less than b, right? C lies between a and b. So everyone, this c minus a is positive or negative? Tell me everyone.
Positive.
This c minus
Positive.
a is positive. Okay. And f of c is greater than f of a. So f of c minus f of a will be positive or negative? Tell me.
Positive, sir.
So positive.
Positive. So can I say everyone that f dash at c minus, okay, we don't know how close c is with a. Okay. So f dash at c minus will be greater than or equal to 0. Tell me everyone. Are you people getting? Can I say this? F dash at c minus is greater than or equal to 0. Next. Next everyone. Uh, let us talk about f dash at c plus. F dash at c plus will be equal to limit x tends to 0 plus. Okay. Or you can say limit x tends to b. Okay. F of x minus f of b upon x minus b. Okay. Now tell me everyone. F of a and f of b, they are same only. So f of x minus f of b. Okay. F of x minus f of b. Wait a minute. Wait, I should have written. We are finding at c, right? So it should be c tends to b. Wait. C tends to b. C. Tell me everyone. F of c is of course greater than f of b. Right, tell me everyone. Because f of a and f of b, they were same. So numerator is positive and denominator is positive or negative? Tell me everyone. Denominator is
Negative.
positive or negative? Denominator is negative. Okay, denominator is negative. So see, from here, can I say that f dash at c plus will be less than or equal to 0?
Yes.
Right, tell me everyone. So from 1 and 2, what can we say? See, at just C, at point C, the function is changing from positive to negative. So can I say f of f dash at C is equal to 0? Tell me everyone. Since the function is differentiable. Since the function is differentiable, I can say that f dash at C will be equal to 0. Tell me, are you people getting yes or no? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Tell me, is it clear to everyone?
Sir,
Yes, tell me, Shashwata.
sir, in the denominator it is x minus b or c
C
minus
minus
b.
C minus B, C minus B. Bye bye. C minus B. Tell me, Samragni, Sokrit, Shashwato, Ritam, Rishabh, everyone understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Soham,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Shavankit,
sir.
Yes.
Shreyasi,
Yes, sir.
Swapnil, Trina, Shinika, is it clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Anyone having
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt, you can ask me now. Okay. So everyone, let us do some problems on Rolle's theorem. Okay. Let us start. Question number 1. Verify. Verify C of Rolle's. Okay. You have to tell me the value of C as well. Okay. Verify C of Rolle's for number 1. F of x equal to. You have to tell me the value of C as well. Okay. X into x plus 3 into e to the power minus x by 2 in closed interval minus 3 comma 0. Number 2.
So we will
F of
send you full solutions, right?
yes, x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 5 in closed interval 0 comma 2. Number 3. F of x equal to mod x cube in minus 1 comma 1. Quickly send your answers everyone. You have to tell me the value of C, value of C over here. Okay, so everyone, should I start? Tell me.
So please wait.
Okay, quickly send your answers. Yes, Aditya, part 1 is correct. Sohan, part 1 is correct. Sakrit, part 1 is correct. Okay, let me start with part 1. Pay attention, everyone. F of x equal to x into x plus 3 into e to the power x minus x by 2. Part 1 is easy. Part 1 is very easy, everyone. Quickly send. Oh, Shashwat, check your answer again. Part 1. Shwankit, also check your answer again. Adrija, part 1 is correct.
So I'm
Ritam,
doing what once again.
Ritam, check part 1. Rasheshwari, part 1 is correct. Rishabh, part 1 is correct. Shubhangi, part 1 is correct. Aipsha, part 1 is correct. Shinika, part 1 is correct. Okay, Ritam, check it once again. Yes, Aditya, part 2 is correct. Samragni, part 2 is correct. Rishabh, check part 2. Anvesha, part 1 is correct. Shashwat, part 1 is correct. Samragni, part 3 is correct. Okay, let me start.
So part two
Soham,
once again.
Soham, part 3 is correct. Ronak, part 1 is correct. Socrates, part 2 is correct. Okay, let me start, everyone. So first of all, we need to check whether f of a is equal to f of b or not. Okay. See over here, f is continuous and differentiable. Can you people understand? Is there any value of x between -3 and 0 for which the function is not defined? No. So f of x is continuous and differentiable also. See over here, x into x plus 3. This is differentiable. E to the power minus x by 2 is also differentiable. So the whole function is differentiable only. Okay. Next. So let us start. Over here, we need to find out f dash x. F dash x will be equal to x into dy dx of x plus 3. So everyone, I'm going to use FGH rule. Okay. It will become x plus 3 into e to the power minus x by 2 plus x into e to the power minus x by 2. Okay. Plus x into x plus 3 into dy dx of e to the power minus x by 2 will become e to the power minus x by 2 into d by dx of e to the power minus x by 2. So minus half. Next, let us simplify. X plus 3. So from here, taking e to the power minus x by 2 common, within brackets, we are getting x plus 3 plus x, 2x plus 3 plus x square plus 3x by minus 2. Okay. So over here, we might get C of Rolle's. Okay. So let us solve this quadratic. Okay. We'll get, putting it equal to 0, we'll get 2x plus 3 minus x square plus 3x divided by 2. This will be equal to 0. Multiplying by 2, minus 2 will get x square plus 3x minus 4x plus minus 3 into 2 minus 6 equal to 0. So from here, x minus x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. This implies x equal to minus 2 comma 3. Okay, everyone. Are you people getting? Once you get x equal to minus 2 comma 3, okay, you have to check which point will lie in the interval minus 3 comma 0. So therefore, C of Rolle's will be C of rows will be equal to -2. Tell me, are you people getting? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Tell me. If there's anyone. Ankit, is it clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pratyay, have you understood? Pratyay, Agniva, are people getting?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then write your answers quickly.
Sir, two I
Can
have
you
seen.
show the third question?
Yes. Quickly solve. Second and the third part.
The second I have sent, check once.
Checking. Yes, tell me, Shreyasi, is it clear? Shreyasi, Swapnil, Trina, do you people understand? Tell me.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, quickly solve the next. Yes, Anvesha, second one is correct. Shashwato, second one is correct. Rasheshwari, second one is cannot understand. Yes, second one is correct. Third one is also correct. Ritam, third one is correct. Second one is also correct. Rishabh, third one is correct.
Sir, I've
Second
also
one
seen the
is
same.
correct. Correct. Soham, Soham cannot understand. Okay, Soham, I have understood. But Soham, you have to find out the value of C. Shinika,
Oh,
third
yes,
one
sir.
is correct. Shwankit, I've got a
Sir,
different value. Yes, Shashwato, third one is correct. Wait, Shwankit, check your answer again. Anvesha, third one is correct. Vaibsha, second one is correct. Sohan, second one is correct. Socrates, third one is correct. Samragni, third one is correct. Yashwangi, second one is correct. Adrito, part 3 is correct. And Adrija, part 2 is correct. Part 3 is also correct. Yes, Soham, what are you saying? Tell me.
yes, sir, what is the solution?
Okay, part 2, everyone pay attention. Those who have not solved it. Abhigyan, are you solving?
Yes, sir.
Send your answer. First of all, you need to check whether f of 0 is equal to f of 2 or not. Okay. Over here, what are we getting for f of 0? F of 0 is equal to 5. F of 2 is equal to 8 minus 12 plus 4 plus 5. Yes, it will be 5 only. So f of 0 is equal to f of 2. Okay, then there exists some c belongs to 0, comma 2. F dash x will be equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 2. Put it equal to 0. Dividing. So from here, I'm going to use either quadratic formula. X is equal to 6 plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. That is 36 minus 24 by 6. Okay. So this will give us how much? 6 plus minus root 12. Root 12 will give us 2 root 3 divided by 6. So which will give us 1 plus minus 1 by root 3. And both of them lies in the interval. Okay, both of them belong to 0, comma 2. Tell me, Shwankit, are you getting?
Yes, sir. I did the calculation now.
Yes. Tell me, Ankit, have you understood? Ankit, Madhurjo, Pratyay, tell me, are you people getting? Samragni? Acha, Samragni have done it. Shreyasi, is it clear? So both are C of rows. Next, last one I'm solving, everyone. F of x equal to mod x cube in minus 1 to 1. So part 3. Okay, first of all, break the function. F of x will be equal to x cube for all x greater than or equal to 0, and it's equal to minus x cube for all x less than 0. So what is f dash x? F dash x will be equal to, you have to check, this will be 3x square for all x greater than or equal to 0. It will be minus 3x square for all x less than 0. So first of all, let us check whether the function is differentiable or not. Function is continuous. F dash at 0 plus will be 0. It is also equal to f dash at 0 minus. So this implies f is differentiable. Okay, once you see that the function is differentiable, okay, continuous and differentiable, okay, there exists some c belongs, okay. So what is f dash x? F dash x will be equal to 3x square. Okay, put it equal to 0. Therefore, this implies x equal to 0. Therefore, what is C of roles? C of roles will be equal to 0 only. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now. Next, let us start. Question number 2. If f of x equal to, if f of x equal to 4x cube minus 3x square minus 2x plus 1, use Rolle's theorem. Use Rolle's theorem to prove that. Use Rolle's theorem to prove that there exists some c belongs to 0, 1 such that f of c is equal to 0. Okay, means there exists a root lying between 0 and 1 of f of x. Okay, but use Rolle's theorem. This can be proved in some other ways also, but I want everyone to use Rolle's theorem. Next, question number 3. If f maps 0, pi by 2,
Sir, f of c equal to 0.
if what? F of
Sir,
c,
FC
yes,
equal
f,
to 0
yes.
or F dash C equal to 0?
No, f of c maps to 0, 1 is differentiable. Is differentiable such that f of 0 is equal to 0 and f of pi by 2 is equal to 1. Then option A. This is multiple correct type, okay? Option A, f dash alpha is equal to 2 by pi for at least, for at least, for at least one alpha belongs to 0, pi by 2. Next, option B, f of alpha into f dash alpha is equal to 1 by pi for at least one alpha belongs to 0, pi by 2. Okay. Option C, f dash alpha is equal to 8 alpha by pi square for at least one alpha belonging to 0, pi by 2. And last option, option D, f dash alpha is equal to root over 1 minus f of alpha whole square for at least one alpha belonging to 0, pi by 2. Let me see who has done number 2.
So sending you.
Yes. Keep sending your answers, everyone.
So I have sent. Can you check?
Yes, I'm checking. So I think this one is. Yes, Agniva part 3 is correct. Everyone keep sending your answers. Yes, Shrita. Let me see what have you done. Yes, Shrita, your proof is correct. Shashwato, no, Shashwato, I told you that this can be proved by other ways, but you have to use Rolle's theorem specifically to prove it. Okay, you have used some other method. I understood.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Sokroit. Yes, Sokroit. Your answer is correct. Okay, let us start number two, everyone. See, what should be your thought process? What should be your thought process while solving this problem? F of x is given to us. Pay attention, everyone. You have to use Rolle's theorem to prove that there exists some c belongs to 0, comma 1 such that f dash f of c is equal to 0. Okay. Generally, when you use Rolle's theorem, everyone, okay, generally, whenever you use Rolle's theorem, you always find f dash c is equal to 0. Right, everyone? You always find f dash c is equal to 0. So you have to find a function whose derivative is f of x. Are you getting, everyone? You have to find a function whose derivative is f of x. Okay, how to find a function whose derivative is f of x? Let g of x is equal to integral of f of x. Okay, everyone? Then g dash x
Sir,
will be equal
can
to
you
f of
please
x only.
repeat once?
Are you people getting? Then g dash x will be equal to f of x only. Yes, Rasheshwari, your answer is correct. Adrija, yes, Adrija, your answer is correct.
Sir,
Okay,
can you
Ritam,
show question number 3 once?
Ritam, I'm checking yours. Ritam, your answer is correct. Remember, it is multiple correct types, so I'll give you correct only if you have written all correct options, okay? Let g of x equal to integral of f of x. Okay, everyone. So let us find out what is g of x. This implies g of x will be equal to, what is the integral of f of x? It will be equal to integral of 4x cubed minus 3x square minus 2x plus 1. So let us integrate. This will become x to the power 4 minus x cubed minus x square plus x. Now let us verify Rolle's theorem. Number one. Over here, f is, over here, g is differentiable and continuous. G is continuous and differentiable in 0, comma 1. Right, tell me, everyone. First and second condition is satisfied. Next, number two. Let us see whether g of 0 is equal to g of 1 or not. G of 0 will give us 0. What is g of 1? G of 1 is also equal to 0. So all the conditions of Rolle's theorem is satisfied. Therefore, g dash x will be equal to 0. Right, everyone? This implies. Now, what is g dash x? No, you have to write it. There exists some c belongs to 0, comma 1 such that g dash c is equal to 0. Now, what is g dash c? G dash c is f of c only. Hence proved. Tell me, are you people getting? Tell me, Avigyan, Pratyay, Shreyasi, Shovankit, are you people getting? Rishabh, Soham, Ritam, are you
Yes, sir.
people getting?
Yes, sir. So could you once
Sohan,
explain?
Soham, pay
Yes, sir.
attention. Whenever you use Rolle's theorem, you come to a point where f dash x is equal to 0, right? F dash c is equal to 0,
Yes.
isn't it? But over here you have f of c. Are you getting, Soham? Over here you have
Yes, sir.
f of c. So you have to take a function whose derivative is f of x. Are you getting? Such that when you differentiate, you come to f of x only. Are you getting? Why I
Yes.
integrated? And then I
I
saw
got it.
that all the condition is satisfied in g of x. So g of c will be equal to 0. Share C, is it clear? Share C, Shubhangi. Are the people getting?
Yes.
Okay, let me solve number 3.
Sir, can you just wait for 2 minutes?
Okay, quickly solve. Have to move on. Okay, let me see who has sent. So, Trina, which options are correct? Write it. Shashwato, check your answer again. Trina, check your answer again. Samragni, check your answer again. Shinika, check your answer again. Yes, Shashwato, is it done?
Sir, I have sent only.
I sent. Let me see. Oh, acha, you have sent. But no, check your answer again. Adrija, also check your answer again. Okay, let us start, everyone. If f maps 0 to pi by 2, okay, to 0 to 1, f dash alpha should be equal to 2 by pi. So, see, everyone, you have to think of a function. Okay, you have to think of a function f of x such that f dash x will come to 2 pi, 2 by pi. Okay, and also f of 0 should be equal to 0 and f of pi by 2 should be equal to 1. So, for option A, what function we should take? Let's see,
Sir, f
everyone.
of x minus 2 by pi.
f of x equal to 2x by pi. Right, tell me. So, number
Means if
one.
you take a new function like g of x or h of x equal to x
Yes.
minus 2x by pi and then find
Yes.
the derivative of it.
Let g of x is equal to f of x minus 2 by pi x. Right. So, everyone pay attention. What is g of 0? Tell me. So see, g of
Sir,
0 is equal
minus
to
0 only.
so 0 only.
0 only. What is g of 1? G of 1 is equal to f of 1 minus 2 by pi into 1. 2 by pi into 1. So what is f of 1? Acha, but we don't need f of 1. We need f of pi by 2. Sorry. So f of pi by 2. G of pi by 2. G of pi by 2 is equal to f of pi by 2
That is 0 only.
minus 2 by pi into pi by 2, which is 0. Right. So see, everyone. Over here, g of 0 is equal to g of pi by 2 is equal to 0. So can I say that there exists some c belongs to 0 comma pi by 2 such that g dash 0, g dash c is equal to 0. Now what is g dash c? G dash C will be equal to, or you can say alpha alpha, because alpha is given. G dash alpha is equal to 0. So what is G dash alpha? G dash alpha will be equal to F dash alpha minus 2 by pi, which is equal to 0. This implies F dash alpha is equal to 2 by pi. So hence option A is correct. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Hence option A is correct. Let us think about option B. Okay, everyone. For option B, again we need to think of a function such that f of alpha means after differentiating, you will come to a point f of alpha into f dash alpha. Okay, so what you do is, if you are unable to think of a function for option B, if you are unable to think of a function, you integrate it, everyone. When you integrate f of alpha into f dash alpha, everyone, what are we getting? Tell me. It's very easy. Think. Raise your hand. What is integral of f of alpha into f dash alpha? Tell me. Yes, Shrita, tell me.
F of alpha whole square by 2.
Correct. It is f square by 2, right, everyone? So what can we take as a function? Let g of x is equal to, let g of x is equal to f square x by 2. Let g of x is equal to h square x by 2. Minus, sorry. F square x divided by 2 minus x by pi. Tell me, are you people getting yes or no? Minus x by pi. So over here, what is, let us see whether Rolle's theorem is verified or not. What is g of 0? G of 0 is equal to s square 0 by 0. So this is 0 minus 0, which is 0 only. What is g of pi by 2? G of pi by 2 will be equal to half minus pi by 2 by pi. So half. This is also equal to 0. Tell me, are you people getting? If you are not getting, let me know. Tell me.
So
Shashwato,
can you show
Adrija,
the g of x part?
g of x part. Yes, over here.
So g of x equals to f of x minus x by pi.
No, f square x by 2 minus x by pi.
So can you explain it?
Okay, again. See, I have to come to a point such that g dash x is equal to f of alpha into f dash alpha, right? Minus
Yes,
1 by
sir.
pi. Right. I have to come to a point, right? Come to this point. Yes or no? Tell me,
Yes, sir. Yes,
Shashwat.
sir.
Okay. So I have to find out a function whose differential is f of alpha into f dash alpha, isn't it? So I integrated it. When I integrated, what did I get? F square by 2. Tell me. Are you getting
Yes,
Shashwat?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what function we can take? We can take g of x is equal to f square x by 2 minus x by pi. Right. Tell me.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Are you getting? Tell me, Sokrohit, are you getting? Sokrohit, Rishabh, Adrito,
Yes, sir. I
Rasheshwari.
sent you the answer. Can you check it once?
I'm checking. Anvesha, Madhurjo, Pratyay, are people getting? Ankit, is it clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Samragni, are you getting? Shrita, Shreyasi, Shubhangi, are you people getting? Shubhankit, are you getting? Tell me. Okay. So see everyone, over here also f is differentiable, right? Over here also f is continuous and differentiable. F is continuous and differentiable. Once you see that the function is continuous and differentiable, okay, there exists, sorry, g is continuous and differentiable. There exists some alpha belongs to 0 comma pi by 2 such that such that g dash alpha is equal to 0. Now what is g dash alpha, everyone? When you differentiate, you are going to get f of alpha, 2f of alpha into f dash alpha by 2 minus 1 by pi. This will be equal to 0. So 2 will get cancelled. we'll get the result. This implies f of alpha into f dash alpha is equal to 0. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. So option B is also correct. Option B is also correct. Let me see. Yes, Dr. With your answer is correct. Next, let us think about option C. So you people must have understood what function you have to take for option C. Can anyone tell me what function we should take for option C? Raise your hand. For option C, what should we take for g of x? Raise your hand. Yes, Adrija, tell me.
Sir, f of x minus 4x square by pi square.
F of x minus 4x square by pi square. Correct, correct. So let g of x tell me. Soham, Sohan, are people getting? Rishabh, are you getting? Let g of x is equal to
Yes.
f of x minus 4x square by pi square. Okay. So again, everyone, we have to check over here the since g is continuous and differentiable, we can check g of 0 and g of pi by 2. What is g of 0, everyone? G of 0 equal to 0. G of pi by 2 equal to 0. Therefore, there exists some c belongs to 0 comma pi by 2 such that g dash c is equal to, sorry, alpha belongs to, g dash alpha belongs, g dash alpha is equal to 0. What is g dash alpha? G dash alpha will be equal to f dash at alpha minus 8x by pi square is equal to 0. Wait a minute. 8x by pi square. So 8 alpha, it will become 8 alpha now. Let me see. Should be 8 alpha. 8 alpha by pi square. So option C is also correct. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. You must have understood that option D is also correct, right?
All correct.
Yes, all correct. Okay. See, this kind of questions can come. Okay. You have got f dash alpha is equal to root over 1 minus f of alpha whole square. So can anyone tell me what function we should take? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. What function we should take? Yes, Socrates, tell me.
So seeing this form, sin inverse f of x minus x.
Correct. Sine inverse f of x. Can you people understand? Because when you differentiate, what will you get? Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. For option D. Okay. See, how to understand that you have to take sine inverse. Okay. You take f dash x is coming out to be root over 1 minus f of x whole square, everyone. Okay. Or you can say, I mean, f dash x is coming out to be root over 1 minus f of x whole square. So everyone, you take one root over 1 minus f of x whole square over here on the left hand side and then you integrate. Okay. When you integrate, what are you getting? It will become sine inverse f of x. Okay, everyone. It will become sine inverse f of x. So everyone, let g of x is equal to sine inverse f of x minus what? Sine inverse
X.
f of x. X. Let me
Hmm.
see on the right hand side. Yes, x. We have to take x. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask. Now over here, let's start. What is g of 0? G of 0 is equal to 0 only. G of pi by 2 will also come as 0. Okay. Therefore, there exists some alpha belongs to 0 comma pi by 2 such that g dash alpha is equal to 0. Okay, after that you can substitute, you'll get it. Okay. So all options are correct. Therefore, all options are correct. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Next. Next, everyone note it down. Tell me, Agniba, is it clear? Agniba
Yes,
or
sir.
Ifsha? Ankit, Pratyay, Rishabh, Ritam.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Shashwato, Shayasi, Shwankit, is it clear? Trina,
Yes,
Swapnil,
sir.
you people understood? Tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Note, if a function, pay attention everyone, this is also very important. If a function is equal at 10 points, if a function is equal at 10 points, then f dash x will be equal to 0 at how many points? Tell me. In at least
So 9 points.
9 points. In at least 9 points. Tell me. Are you people getting? In at least 9 points, f dash x will be equal to 0 in that interval. Provided that, provided that, provided that f is continuous and differentiable in the interval, okay? F is continuous and differentiable. For example, let us talk about y equal to sin x. See, y equal to sin x is y equal to sin x is equal to 0. Okay, everyone. Not only I'm talking about 0, it can be anything else also. Okay, but let us talk about 0 only. F of x equal to sin x. See, it is equal at so many points. Okay, everyone. It is equal to 0 at so many points. Equal to 0 at so many points. Okay, pay attention. See, so over here, uh, it is equal to 0 at, see, 0, pi, over here 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. Okay, so let us talk about interval 0 to 4 pi only. Between 0 to 4 pi, in how many points it is 0? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you getting? It is equal to 0 at 5 points in this interval. So in this interval only, f dash x is equal to 0 at how many points? See, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay. Next. So everyone, if f of a1, if f of a1 is equal to f of a2 is equal to dot 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 is equal to f of a10 is equal to 0, then there exists, then there exists at least one point in a1 comma a2 such that f dash c1 equal to 0. Okay, there exists at least one point in a2 comma a3 such that f dash c2 is equal to 0. Okay, similarly, there will be how many such intervals? Similarly, there will be 9 such intervals. Tell me, are you people getting? There will be 9 such intervals. Okay, 9 such intervals. So there will be 9 points we are going to get. Okay, next. Now this implies C1 belongs to A1 comma A2. Okay, C2 belongs to, okay, C2 comma C3 dot 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 up to C9 belongs to A2 comma A3. Okay, dot 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 up to A9 comma A10 respectively. Okay, respectively. This implies there will be 9 roots of f dash c. There will be 9 roots of f dash c of f dash c. Next, everyone. Now, if the function, if we say that the function is double differentiable, if we say that the function is double differentiable, okay, then f dash x is equal to 0 at 9 points, right? That means f dash x is equal at 9 points, okay, is equal at 9 points, okay. So applying rules, so applying rules on f dash x as well, okay. This implies f double dash x will be equal to 0 in at least how many points? Tell me. At least at how many
Eight.
points?
8 points, sir.
8 points. Similarly, f triple dash x will be equal to 0 in how many points?
At least 7 points.
In at least 7 points. Tell me, are you people getting? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me, and so on. Okay, means you keep on differentiating. Okay, you keep on differentiating.
So RL derivative of x will be 0 at least n minus r points.
And minus r points. Okay, next.
Sir, can I ask you one thing?
Yes, tell me, Ritam.
You said Rolle's theorem is after someone, some mathematician named Rolle. And why do you write it in small r?
Small r, I have written.
Yes, everywhere.
Where?
Sir, everywhere you have written Rolle's
Yes,
in
sir,
small r.
everywhere.
Oh, so it's a disrespect to him. Okay. Sorry to his soul. Anyways, I'll write it once in capital letters as well. Okay, to pay him some respect. Okay, anyways, let us do another problem. Question number.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
so could you one show the part after the sin x graph or just
The part sin x graph.
zoom out of the part?
Where? This one.
Yes, yes, yes. Done, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
Sir, if double prime x equal to 0, what does it imply to f of x?
Concavity of the graph.
No, like if it is greater than 0, then it is concave up, and less than 0, then concave down. If it is
Yes.
equal to 0, then what does it like say? Point of inflection.
Uh, See, if it is equal to 0, then you have to check whether the function is greater than 0 or less than 0 around that point or not. Okay. Like, do you remember? I had done this in the class, right? Do you remember f of x equal to x square? Right. Let us talk about x to the power 4 only. What is f double dash x at x equal to 0? Tell me. Quickly tell me, Shashwato. Then
Sir,
we'll
x
move
to
to
the
other
power
question.
4.
X to the power 4. Quickly
Sir,
tell me.
12x squared.
So at x equal to 0, what is the value? Quickly tell me.
Sir, 0.
0, right? Over here, are we getting a point of inflection? Tell me, quickly tell me, Shashwato.
No, sir.
And over here, tell me, f double dash x at x equal to 0. What is the value? F of x equal to x cube.
Sir, 0.
0. But over here, are we getting a point of inflection?
Yes, sir.
We are getting a point of inflection, right? What is the difference between these two curves? Tell me.
Sir,
Why are
like
we getting...
one's range is only positive and another range is all real.
No, nothing as such. Why are we getting a point of inflection over here and not over here? Tell me. I wanted to ask this question.
Sir, because it is changing sign.
It is changing sign. That's what I said, right? Before when I have discussed point of inflection.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, let us do this problem, everyone. P of x is a polynomial. Question number 4. P of x is a polynomial with real coefficients. Is a polynomial with real coefficients. And a comma b are roots of f of x such that there exists there exists at least one c belongs to a comma b such that p dash at c plus 100 into pc is equal to 0. Quickly solve. Question number 5. F double dash x exists for all x
So what
belongs
do
to
we have
R.
to find in for?
Which one?
Question number 4. What do we have to find here?
Show that
Oh, achha, I thought such that.
show that over here. This actually means show that. Or I'm writing PT. Prove that there exists at least one C belongs to. Okay, F double dash X exists for all X belongs to R such that F of X equal to F of 6 minus X. Okay, F dash at 0 is equal to 0 is equal to F dash at 2 is equal to F dash at 5. Find minimum number of roots. Find minimum number of roots of equation F double dash X whole square plus F dash X into F triple dash X is equal to 0 in the closed interval. In the closed interval 0,6. Quickly solve. Acha, tell me everyone, you people got AOD assignment? Yes or no? I've sent it in the
Yes, sir.
group. Okay. So people start practicing. AOD test will be taken in July only, okay? So people start practicing.
So last week of July.
Most probably last week.
So would the AOD test include MOD also?
AOD test, yes, it will include MOD as well. Okay, but not many questions. Mostly it will be AOD. Okay, let me start. Over here, P of X is a polynomial with real coefficients, and A comma B are the roots of. I've written F of X. It should be P of X of P of X. Prove that there exists at least one C belongs to A comma B, such that P dash C plus 100 PC is equal to 0. So again, by looking at this, remember, you have to come to this function. I mean, this should be your last step. Your last step should be P dash C plus 100 PC is equal to 0. Means you need to think of a function such that after differentiating, you will come to this point. Okay. So everyone, what we can do is, okay, what we can do is
Sir, in question number 5, that is f dash x minus f triple dash x or multiplied.
multiply. Okay. So everyone, over here, let g of x is equal to p dash x upon p of x plus 100. Okay, I've divided by p of x on both sides, which will be equal to 0. Okay. So anyways, so I've taken g of x equal to p dash x by p of x plus 100. So after integrating, what do we get? On integrating, integral of g of x will be equal to integral of p dash x upon p of x plus 100. That will give us ln p of x plus 100x. Okay, everyone? ln p of x plus 100x. Okay. Now let f of x equal to ln p of x plus 100x. Okay. Now finding 2 points. Okay. Over here, finding 2 points, that f of x is equal to ln p of x plus 100x. So I think I missed a constant, I guess. Oh yes, after integrating, over here we'll get a constant term as well. Okay, plus some constant after integrating. Okay, so let f of x equal to ln p of x plus 100x. Okay, so putting ln p of x, ln p of x plus 100x plus c is equal to 0. Okay, from here what are we getting? From here ln p of x will be equal to minus 100x minus some constant. Okay, so from here what are we getting? P of x will be equal to e to the power minus 100x minus c. Okay, so from here what can we say? Taking e to the power minus c to the left hand side, no, e to the power minus 100x to the left hand side, we'll get p of x into e to the power 100x is equal to e to the power minus c. Okay, next, Over here, uh, I've got p of x is equal to e to the power 100x, and this is equal to e to the power minus c. After differentiating, when you differentiate this function, okay, right hand side will be free of any constant. I mean, right hand side, it will totally become zero. Okay, so let us take g of x as, or q of x as p of x into e to the power 100x. Okay, this should be your function. Okay, uh, okay. So over here, since a and b are the roots of p of x, since a and b in the question it is given, a and b are the roots of p of x. Since a and b are the roots of p of x, okay, everyone, what is q of a? Q of a will be equal to 0, and q of b will also be equal to 0. Tell me, are you people getting? Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Tell me, Shashwato, Shrita, Ritam, Shwankit, Shreyasi, are you people getting? Anvesha,
Yes.
Sokroit,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rasheshwari are getting? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ayubsha, Abhigyan, are you people getting? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, q of a equal to 0 and q of b will also be equal to 0. Also, you see, q of x is continuous and differentiable. Since q of x is continuous and differentiable, okay, there exists some c belongs to a comma b. Ankit, are you getting? Tell me. Such that
Yes, sir.
q dash q dash c will be equal to 0. Okay, q dash c will be equal to 0. Now let us differentiate q dash x. Okay, q of x. Q dash x will be equal to p of x into e to the power 100x plus, uh, sorry, p of x into e to the power 100x multiplied by 100 plus p dash x into e to the power 100x. Okay, put it equal to 0. Okay, so what is q dash c? Q dash c will be equal to, from here something is common. Yes, something should be common. E to the power 100x is common. E to the power 100c is common. Within brackets, you are going to get p of c into 100 plus p dash c. This is equal to 0. Now see everyone, e to the power 100c cannot be equal to 0. Can this ever be equal to 0? This is never equal to 0. This implies p dash c plus 100 into p of c should be equal to 0. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? This is what we needed to prove. Hence proved. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Always, you need to think like what should be your function? What should be your function so that after differentiating, you'll come to this point. Okay, and then you have to create that function. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Next, number 5. Quickly solve. Yes, Adija, you understood the previous one?
Yes, sir.
Soham, Rishabh, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Adija, your answer is correct. Agniba, Trina, Shinika, Shamli, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pratyay, Madhurjo, everyone understood? Tell
Yes.
me. Okay, so I think this one. Okay, let us start. Over here it is given f of x equal to f of 6 minus x. Okay. Okay, does it looks like, I mean, the function is periodic? F of 6 is equal to f of 6 minus x. Okay. F of 6 is equal to f of 6 minus x. And see again, everyone, we have got f double dash x whole square plus f dash x into f triple dash x is equal to 0. Okay, that means this should be your last step. Try to understand. This should be your last step. Okay. So you need to think of a function whose differentiable is this whole thing. This whole thing is the differential. Okay. So let g of x is equal to the integral of, okay, let g of x is equal to the integral of this whole expression. Okay, let's see what are we getting after integrating. Okay, integral of f of x whole square. Okay, I think this is hard to integrate. Okay, but anyways, we can integrate this one. Okay, what can we apply, everyone, in the second term? Tell me, what can we apply? Can anyone tell me? Over here, in order to integrate, what can we apply? Tell me,
So Lagrange
everyone.
rule.
Leibniz or UV rule. Okay,
Huh.
this will be equal to integral of f double dash x whole square plus, over here, let us apply UV rule. Okay, it is better to integrate f, I mean, f triple dash x and differentiate f dash x. So we'll get integral of, f dash x into integral of f triple dash x minus integral of d by dx of, wait a minute, d by dx of f dash x will become f double dash x into integral of f triple dash x.
Sir,
Okay,
can you please write a UV rule for integration?
UV rule. Acha, have I done UV rule of integration? No, right?
No, sir.
Yeah, but how many of you don't know UV rule? Tell me. Integral of UV is equal to U integral of V minus integral of U dash integral of V. Tell me. How many of you don't know this? Tell me. Hello. Everyone knows? Okay. Shashto, you know, right?
I don't.
No, sir.
No. Acha, anyway, so you can understand that this is UV rule. Okay. I'm writing it.
Okay, sir.
I'm writing it properly. Okay. UV rule. I'm writing it properly. Okay. Integral of f of x into g of x. Okay. You integrate one and differentiate one. Okay. I'm going to explain it more in the next chapter, integration. Okay. So it will be equal to f of x into integral of g of x. Okay. Now see, throughout wherever you are getting integration, okay, you have to integrate g of x minus integral of dy dx of f of x. Okay. Into integral of g of x dot dx. Is it clear? Tell me, Shashwat.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In the next chapter, I'm going to discuss this. Okay. But those who know, they know. Okay. Next, see everyone. You can understand that integral of f double dash x into integral of
Second
f
छोड़ा
triple
पर
dash
देखो.
x. Yes. Integral of double dash x into integral of f triple dash x. This will become integral of f double dash x whole square only. Okay. Now see everyone. Integral of f double dash x whole square minus integral of f double dash x whole square will get cancelled. And finally, you are going to get f dash x into f double dash x. Tell me, are you people getting yes or no? Hello. Tell me, Abhigyan, Oipsha, Anvesha, are you people getting? Rasheshwari,
Yes, sir.
Sakrit,
Yes, sir.
Shashwato, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Sakrit, are you getting? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay. So over here, we have to take Over here, we have to take g of x is equal to f dash x into f double dash x. Okay, everyone. We have to apply rules on g of x. Okay, f triple dash x exists over here. Okay, we need to find out the roots of g of x. Over here, we need to find the roots of g of x. Find the roots of g of x. Now you see everyone, over here, f of x is given as f of 6 minus x. So everyone, when you differentiate both sides, f dash x will be equal to f dash of 6 minus x into minus 1. Okay, this implies the f dash of 6 minus x into minus 1. What are the values given to us? F dash at 0 is equal to 0, f dash at 2 is equal to 0, f dash at 5 is equal to 0. Okay, let's start. Putting x equal to 0. Okay, f dash at 0 is equal to f dash at 6 into minus 1. So this is also equal to 0. So everyone, if f dash at 0 is equal to 0, f dash at 6 is equal to 0. Next, putting x equal to 2. Putting x equal to 2. We'll get f dash at 2 is equal to f dash at 4, which is also equal to 0. Okay, everyone. Next, putting x equal to 5. 5 is there or 4 is there? Let's see. 5. F dash at 5 is equal to f dash at 1 is equal to 0. So what have we got, everyone? We have got f dash at 1, f dash at 0 is equal to f dash at 1 is equal to f dash at 2 is equal to f dash at 4 is equal to f dash at 5 is equal to 0. So f dash x has how many roots? Acha, f dash at 6 is also there. This is also equal to 0. So everyone, f dash x has how many roots? Tell me.
6 roots.
6 roots. So one more thing, everyone. If you put x equal to 3, what are we getting? F dash at 3 is equal to f dash at 3 into minus 1. This implies f dash at 3 is also equal to 0. Right, everyone? F dash x is equal to 0 at x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. This implies f dash Hello, am I audible, everyone? Can everyone hear me? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I think I got disconnected. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I'm continuing. Okay. So everyone, I got disconnected. Everyone, pay attention. Okay. So you people understood, right? F dash x has at least 7 roots in the interval 0 to 6. Tell me, you people understood?
Sir,
Yes, tell me. So,
sir, how is f dash 4 coming with 0?
because over here f dash 2 is given 0, right? Tell me.
Oh, it's 0 actually.
In the question it was given. So when you substitute x equal to 2, you'll get f dash 2 is equal to f dash 4 is equal to 0. So f dash x has at least 7 roots. Right, tell me. So, Rishabh, Shubhangi,
Yes, sir.
Shayasi, Shrita, are people getting?
Yes, sir.
So f double dash x will have how many roots? 6 roots. Right, tell me everyone. So the equation g of x equal to f dash x into f double dash x. This will have how many roots? Tell me everyone. Tell me everyone. G of x equal to f dash x into f double dash x will
So
have how many
13
roots?
roots.
13 roots. Has 13 roots. So you people tell me g dash x will have how many roots?
12 roots.
Yes, sir, 12.
A proper advanced level question, everyone. This kind of questions can come in advance. Kind of. At least 12 roots.
So don't you think it's better to move on to the next question if this is this lengthy?
Why? See, this I mean, I had explained, so it is so lengthy. Okay. Otherwise, in the
No, like
exam,
say for example that f of 3 one. Okay. I missed that f of 3. So had I missed just one root, my entire problem would have gone wrong.
yes. Okay, so these things you have to keep in mind. Okay, that's why you practice this kind of questions. Okay, the more various type of questions you will practice, okay, the more you will get to understand where you can make mistake during the exam. Next, our next topic is, so everyone understood the previous problem? Tell me. Tell me, Samragni, Shrita, Pratyay,
Yes.
Anvesha, everyone understood? Rasheshwari, Ankit,
Yes, sir.
Agniba,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Adrito,
sir.
Oifsha, Adrija, everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sohan, Shinika, Swapnil, is it clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shashwato, you
Yes, sir.
understood?
Can you explain once
Yes, which part? Tell me, Sohan.
the how it has 12 roots?
Yes. See, first of all, I have to find out a function, okay, whose differential is f double dash x whole square plus f dash x into f triple dash x.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I have integrated. I've used UV rule over here.
Hmm.
Okay. To integrate, I've got f dash x into f double dash x, g of x. So over here, we need to find out the roots of g of x. Okay. Then only
Yes.
we can find out the roots of g dash x. So I've got f of x equal to f of 6 minus x. F dash x equal to f dash of 6 minus x minus 1 into minus 1. Then in the question, it was given f dash 0 is equal to f of 2 is equal to f of 5 is equal to 0. So I substituted. I substituted x equal to 0. I got f dash 0 is equal to f dash 6 is equal to 0. I
Yes,
substitute
sir.
x equal to 2. I've got f dash 2 plus is equal to f dash 4 is equal to 0. I substitute x equal to 5. I've got f dash 5 is equal to f dash 1 is equal to 0. Then I also saw that f dash 3 is equal to minus of f dash 3, which is equal to 0. So f dash x has at least 7 roots. F double dash x will have how many roots?
Oh,
6
yes, sir.
roots.
Scissors.
So g of x will have how many roots? 13 roots.
Hmm.
So g dash x will have how many roots? 12
12
roots.
roots. Yes,
Is
sir.
it
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next, our next topic is Lagrange's mean value theorem. Mean value theorem. Okay, if you people have understood Cauchy's mean value theorem, I've got Lagrange's mean value theorem as well, LMVT. This is also an important point, important theorem, everyone. Pay attention. If F satisfies the following, the first two conditions are same. If F satisfies the following,
Have you taught Cauchy's mean value theorem?
Cauchy is after this.
So you just told us, so I think.
Oh, acha. Rose theorem by mistake. Continuous in closed A comma B. Number two, differentiable in open A comma B. Okay, everyone. Number three, f of A may or may not. Okay, it is not necessary, everyone. May or may not be equal to f of B. It is not necessary, everyone. F of A may or may not be equal to f of B. Then, number four, then there exists at least, at least one C belongs to A comma B such that f dash at C is equal to f of B minus f of A upon B minus A. Okay, everyone. F dash at C is equal to f of B minus f of A upon B minus A. First of all, let us prove it algebraically. Okay, I'm going to prove it algebraically. Then I'm going to prove geometrically. Pay attention. So everyone, over here I'm going to take the help of Rolle's theorem. Okay, everyone. See, do you remember that problem? Do you remember this problem? Today we did one problem like this where all the options were correct. Over here we used to take some function, okay, such that, I mean, we had to prove that f dash x is equal to 2 by pi. So we took a function g of x equal to f of x minus 2x by pi. Right, everyone? Over here also we are going to do the same thing. Okay. Over here, I'm going to take g of x equal to f of x minus f of b minus f of a upon b minus a into x. Tell me, are you people getting? Okay. Now let us see whether Rolle's theorem, whether we can apply Rolle's theorem over here or not. Okay. What is g of a? G of a is equal to f of a minus f of b minus f of a into a upon b minus a. Okay. Let us take LCM, everyone. Okay. When you take LCM, what are we getting? B minus a. You will get b into f of a minus a into f of a minus a into f of b plus a into f of a. A into f of a into f of a gets cancelled. We are getting b into f of a minus a into f of b by b minus a. So this is what g of a is. Okay. Next, let us find out what is g of p. Everyone, if you find out g of p, trust me, you will get the same thing. Okay. But still, if you want me to find it, I'll find it out. But I hope you people are capable of finding this. G of p will also be the same thing. Okay. Now see, everyone, G of A is equal to G of B, and G is continuous and differentiable. G is continuous and differentiable. Okay. So applying Rolle's theorem, applying Rolle's on G. Okay, there exists sub C belongs to A comma B such that such that G
So,
dash C. Yes, tell me.
so can one theorem be used to prove another?
Can one theorem? What are you asking, Som? Think before you ask. Huh? Take your time. We cannot prove one theorem using another. F dash C minus F of B minus F of A upon B minus A is equal to 0. Hence proved. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Are you people getting? Okay. What is F dash C? F dash C is instantaneous rate of change. Instantaneous rate of change. And what is this? Average rate of change. Average rate of change. What what is the physical meaning? Okay. Okay. What is the real life meaning or physical meaning of this expression? Pay attention. Instantaneous rate of change is equal to average rate of change. Okay, everyone. Suppose your average speed, okay, or average velocity from a point A to point B is 80 kilometers per hour. Okay, this is your average speed, 80 kilometers per hour. Okay, then at some point between A and B, at some point A and B, between A and B, you must have reached 80 kilometers per hour at least once. Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. At
Yes.
some point between A and B, you must have reached at least once 80 kilometers per hour. It might happen that for the first hour you are traveling above 80. Okay, but definitely in the rest of your journey, you must have come down below 80. So you must have hit 80 kilometers per hour at least once. Okay, this is what Lagrange's mean value theorem says. Geometrical meaning, everyone. Geometrical meaning. See, okay. So over here, let us take a curve between A and B. Between A and B, I'm going to take a curve. This is f of A. This is f of B. Okay. So let us say that between A and B, between A and B, this is the curve. Okay. This is the curve between A and B. Okay. Next. So what is the slope of chord? Pay attention. This is the straight line joining the endpoints f of A and f of B. Okay, everyone. This point is A comma f of A, and this point is B comma f of B. Okay, everyone. Next. So everyone, This is the slope of chord. Okay, this is the slope of chord. So LMVT says that between A and B, there exists at least one point such that the slope at that point, slope of tangent at that point will be equal to the slope of this chord. Okay, everyone. So I'm going to show you that straight line.
So this means that dy dx equal to del y del x at that point.
At least at one point, you see. Can you see, Socrates, that yellow line and purple line, they are parallel to each other.
Yes, sir.
So this is one point C, C of LMVT. Tell me, are you people getting? Next, I'll show you
So
another
can you
point.
explain this part again? What does this mean?
Yes, it means that, see, this is your curve, this is your curve f of x, right? And this is del y by del x. Del y by del x means average rate of change of this curve, right? This is the average rate of change of this curve. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
The slope of this straight line will give us the average rate of change of this curve. So what I'm saying is that you'll get at least one point throughout the curve between A and B. Okay. There exists at least one point throughout the curve between A and B such that the instantaneous rate of change, the instantaneous rate of change will be equal to the average rate of change. Means slope of the tangent at that point will be equal to the slope of this whole chord. Are you getting?
Okay, sir, understood.
Shashwata. Okay. At least you will get one point. Tell me, are you people getting? Tell me, Rishabh, Ritam, Sokrit,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anvesha, Ankit, Agniba,
Yes.
Atrito, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Rasheshwari,
sir.
Anvesha, Sohan, are you
Yes, sir.
people getting? Shovankit,
Yes,
Shubhangi,
sir.
Swapnil, Shinika,
Yes,
are you
sir.
people getting? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the slope of chord? Slope of chord will be, slope of chord is equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. Okay. Or b minus f of a upon b minus a. Slope of yellow chord, sorry, purple chord is equal to slope of curve at point C. Okay, slope of curve at point C. And anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. So Lagrange's mean value theorem. Lagrange's theorem says, states that there exists there exists at least one point, at least one point in A comma B where instantaneous rate change, instantaneous rate change is equal to average rate of change. Average rate of change. However, we draw the graph. Tell me, Shrita, are you getting?
Yes, yes, sir.
Shwankit, can you understand? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Shreyasi, however, we draw the graph. Okay. However, you draw the graph, every time you will get the same thing. See, I'll show you another graph. Okay. See, if you draw the graph like this, okay, between A and B. Okay, if you draw the graph like this between A and B. So this is the slope of chord. Wait. This is the slope of chord. Okay. So at least there will be one point between A and B such that F dash C. See, I think this is the one. Let's see. Copy paste. Okay, see over here I've got 1 point. And I think over here also I'll get 1 point. And however you draw the curve, you'll get at least one C of rolls. Okay. So everyone, let us do some problems. Question number.
Sir, I have school tomorrow.
Oh, you have school tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay, Ritam, then this is the last one. Last one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Last one. Okay, let us do this last one. Next day we'll do Cauchy's theorem. Last one, everyone. Question number 6. We did only 6 problems. See. Find C of LMVT for number 1. F of x equal to root over x minus 1 in closed interval 1 comma 3. Solve. Number 2. F of x equal to x upon x plus 2 in closed interval 1 comma 4. Okay, now I guess the exams are over, right? In DPS. Or still something is left.
Yes, sir. Over.
Over. Yes. So probably the school must have given a holiday.
No,
Tell
sir.
me.
No holiday.
Okay. Okay, quickly solve. These two are the last ones.
So send you.
Checking. Yes, Socrates, your answers are correct.
Sir, then can I leave?
Okay, thank you, Socrates.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, let us do this problem, everyone.
Sending.
Send. Just have to equate everyone. F dash x equal to yes. Adrija, your answer is correct. Adrija, Adrito, your answers are correct. Aisha, your answer is correct. Shwankit, your answer is correct. Rishabh, your answer is correct. Yeah, Adrito. Adito, your answer is correct. Okay, Shashwat, check the second one. Soham, first one is correct. Samragni, first one is correct. Rasheshwari, first one is correct. Adrija, second one is correct. Ronak, first one and second one both are correct. Swapnil, first one is correct. Yes, Shwankit, second one is correct. These are easy only, everyone. Quickly solve. Okay, first one, let me solve. See, what is f dash x? F dash x will be equal to 1 by 2 root over x minus 1. This should be equal to f of b minus f of a. That is root 2 minus root 2 minus 0 upon 3 minus 1. That is 2. Tell me, Ankit, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm just applying those. Okay, from here I need to find out the value of x. So over here, 2 will get cancelled. You will get root over x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon root 2. Squaring both sides. X minus 1 is equal to half. This implies x equal to 3 by 2. Just need to check whether 3 by 2 lies in the interval or not. Tell me, Ankit, does it lies in the interval?
Yes,
1,
sir.
3. So this is the C of Lagrange. Tell me, Sohan, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And last one, quickly. Let me see how many of you have done it. Okay, Samragni, check your answer again. Agniba, first one is correct. Shashwata, your answer is correct. Soham, check it again. Aipsha, right answer. Pratyay, yes, your answer is correct, Pratyay. Samragni, right answer. Sheeta, right answer. Yes, Ankit, your answer is correct. Swapnil, your answer is, wait a minute, correct. And Rishabh, your answer is correct. Okay, last one, everyone. Let me solve part 2.
So I have a class tomorrow morning. Can I leave now?
Yes, this is the last. This was the last problem only.
No, sir, I have sent you, so you were correct.
Yes. Tomorrow morning class, tuition, school,
No, sir, class.
class. Okay. Okay. Good night, Shrita.
Good night, sir.
Okay. F dash x will be equal to x upon x plus 2. So x plus 2 minus x upon x plus 2 whole square. Last problem, everyone. This will be equal to f of 4 minus f of 1 upon 4 minus 1. So f of 4 will give us how much? 4 by 6 minus 2 by 6 upon 3. So let us simplify, everyone. This will give us 2 upon x plus 2 whole square. This will be equal to 2 upon 18. This 2 gets cancelled. X plus 2 is equal to 18. X plus 2 is equal to plus minus 3 root 2. This implies x equal to minus 2 minus 3 root 2. Now tell me, which one will lie in the interval? Tell me quickly.
It's a
Which one will
positive
lie?
one.
Positive one. Therefore, x should be equal to 3 root 2 minus 2. Tell me, anyone having any doubt till now? You can ask me. So, Shashwato, you have understood LMVT and roles properly?
Yes, sir.
Oipsha, anyone having any doubt? Oipsha, Adrito, Abhigyan,
Okay, sir.
Agniba, Ankit, you have any doubt? Anvesha, Rasheshwari,
No, sir.
Ritam, Samragni, you people have any doubt? Tell me.
No, sir.
Shayasi, Shwankit, Soham, Rishabh, Sohan,
Yes, sir.
Swapnil, you people have any doubt? Tell me. Okay, so I think everyone, we can keep it till now. Sunday will
Sir,
again continue. Thank you, everyone, and good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir. Good night, sir.
yes.
Thank
Yes,
you, sir.
Shashwat. Yes. Yes, Shashwat, what were you saying? Oh, yes.